Water, air, water,
Mm-hmm.
sky,
Mm-hmm.
fire,
Mm-hmm.
and earth.
Very good. Very good. Vayu, Agni, Jal, Nabh, Prithvi. Right? The five basic elements. Panch Tattvas. Panch Tattva. है ना? That is what Indian philosophers thought. At the same time, in the similar time zone, Greeks, right? Greeks also came to the same conclusion, but this was all theoretical observations, hypothesis. है ना? There was no practical way to prove it, right? They said that if you take an object and if you start breaking it, right, you can go up to one point where you won't be able to see it, and beyond that, it is basically just five elements. That's what they concluded. And how small the particles can get, that's what we wanted to discuss. Also, we recollected that there are three states of matter. Which are they? Who can say that? The three states of matter.
Solid, liquid, gas.
Excuse me. Yeah, that was just a sneeze, nothing related to COVID, so not to worry. Okay. All right, let me, then I from the textbook I had requested some of the classmates of yours to Achoo! Yikes. I had requested some students to do this activity, and one of the students submitted this activity. The activity is that you have to take a ball and then weigh some solid, which is either sugar or salt, whichever you want to. So the student took some amount of salt, right? And look at the ways how scientifically the student has done, right? They have done, first they have taken the microwave weighing balance, right? Put the ball on it and then teared it so that the we can measure exact weight and measure to 10 grams. So we have taken 10 gram of the compound, right? Hmm. Okay. Now they took another glass of another container of made up of glass, right? And then they again teared it, right? The weight has been, no, it didn't happen, but they tried to do it, and then they are taking 100 ml of water. The initial was 214, so the student has taken 333. Okay, right? Now what they have to do, now what they did was to add this, right? So basically it is about 100 plus grams, right? Now this salt has to be added into it. Okay, that was the activity. Look at the level mark, है ना? So well, so meticulously done. All right. Okay, now you can see the level, it is there. Right, now the student has, what is the student doing? Look at it carefully. They are adding the measured solid, I believe it is salt, right? And put it into water, and then they are dissolving it, है ना? What is the word for it? Dissolve, DISSOLVE. And when they dissolve it, right, when they are done with dissolving, the idea was to observe whether the volume of water changes or not, right? So you can see it from here, right? Is there a change in the volume? Right, the volume does not change, right? The volume does not change, and now they are going to measure it again, right? Is it observable? 344. Initially it was 333 plus 11 grams of NaCl, so it came to 344, right? So this is called a scientific experiment. This is called a scientific experiment, right? And the student has done it absolutely wonderful, right? A great job, right? Almost perfect, we can say. Minor mistake was there, but that is negligible, and wonderful job. Yes. Okay. Another activity was also performed by, I believe it was DT who sent me. Hold on a second. Let me find it out. DT. Do we have it here? Just a second. No. It's taking time searching for it. Just a second. Yeah, okay. I found it. No, it wasn't DT. I'll need to find out the names of these students, right? So this is another experiment where the student has taken total. How many glasses are there? 7, 8, 9. 9 glasses are there. Now this activity is about that every glass has equal amount of water in it, right? Now in the first glass, the student will drop in some color, right? Maybe it is ink or some food color, okay? And then from this one, they take it to the next, right? And to check up to which level the color is observed. Okay, let's see. Oops, sorry, what happened? Yeah, there it is. No, the student has taken ink. Very good. Good job. Now, from this colored, right? Look at that one. 1 teaspoonful, 2 teaspoonful. That is almost 10 ml. Okay, that is almost 10 ml. What happened here? Why did it stop? I believe it's not. Yeah, okay. Now from the second one, again 10, another 10 ml shifted to glass number 3. Okay, right? Look at the dilution, what is happening. And from 3 to number 4. At the glass number 4, the color is almost gone, right? And in the 5th, there is no change in the color itself, right? So from these two activities, what did we learn? That a solid, when it dissolves in water, it occupies, it goes somewhere in the spaces of that compound of the liquid, है ना? जो liquid compound जो है, उसके बीच में कहीं ना कहीं पे कुछ spaces है, उसके अंदर घुस जाता है वो, right? तो उसकी वजह से उसका volume नहीं बढ़ता है. And second thing is that the small tiny particles that we call, they are in a huge number, right? क्योंकि पहले वाले में हमने सिर्फ 2 या 3 ड्रॉप्स डाले थे, उसमें से फिर 2-3 पूरा डाइल्यूट करने के बाद 2 टीस्पून नेक्स्ट में डाले, लेकिन फिर भी 4th 5th तक तो गया था, है ना? राइट, 4th 5th क्लास तक तो वो गया. So that shows that the number of particles, right, even in a tiny sample, tiny amount of a compound, it's a huge number. Okay, right, everyone? Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So these were the two activities done from that we learned from this textbook. है ना? These two activities we had done. Okay. Now, these the tiny particles, they are called as particles, the tiny small objects, है ना? हर चीज का छोटा 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 सबसे छोटा वाला जो हिस्सा है, that is called as particle. So that's called as particles, the tiny bit, or rather the smallest part of the object, they are called as particles. Okay, right? That is the particles. This is what we did, right? This is what the student has done. Okay, now we are going to study the characteristics of particles of matter, right? Particles of matter have space between them. This is evident from the first experiment, है ना? ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, उसके अंदर स्पून फुल करके हमने अगर सॉल्ट या शुगर डाला तो वो उसके अंदर घुल जाता है और वॉल्यूम राइज नहीं होता, वॉल्यूम रेज नहीं हो रहा है उसका, राइट? तो then where did the solid go? The solid went into the spaces between the liquid, है ना? We know from our studies from the 4th standard onwards that solid, liquid and gases, so liquid, they have more space, they occupy more space, है ना? All right, so particles of sugar, salt, dettol or potassium permanganate, that is ink that we used, है ना, get evenly distributed in water. Similarly, when we make tea, coffee or lemonade, particles of one type of matter get into the spaces between particles, है ना? जैसे कि मेरे पास ये है, अभी हैंड सैनिटाइजर है, तो इसमें कलर पूरा इवन तरीके से दिख रहा है ना आपको, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि नीचे ज्यादा कलर दिख रहा है ऊपर कम कलर दिख रहा है, या फिर यूज करने से पहले शेक करना पड़ेगा, ऐसी सिचुएशन तो है नहीं, है ना, राइट? इट इज इवनली
Yes.
डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, इट इज इवनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. Why is that happening? Because those tiny particles, they take up the space between the space of the liquid. Okay, so they have particles of matter have space between them. That is the first characteristic is property. Okay, second thing is particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Okay, right? Let me show you how does that happen. Right, we know from fourth standard that if it is a solid, right, then the arrangement of particles is like this, they are tightly packed, है ना, ऐसा हमने स्कूल्स में पढ़ा है पहले, राइट, कि एकदम टाइट एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, right? Yes, Siddharth?
Yes.
Right? Very good. If it is liquid, then there is little bit of space between them, है ना, थोड़ी बहुत स्पेस रहती है उसके बीच में, लेकिन फिर भी नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स तो ज्यादा ही रहते हैं, है ना, right? And if it is gas, then number of particles, even they are less, it will occupy the space, and the space between these molecules are very high. This is what we studied. Right now, even when, as you can see, even when this liquid container है ना, मेरा ये कंटेनर जो है, राइट, ये ऐसे ही स्टेशनरी पड़ा हुआ है, यहाँ से इसको कोई हिला नहीं रहा है, राइट, लेकिन फिर भी जैसे कि हमने आगे वाले एग्जांपल में, आगे वाले वीडियो में देखा कि जैसे ही 1 ड्रॉप ऑफ इंक इज ड्रॉप्ड इनटू वाटर, इट स्टार्ट्स स्प्रेडिंग, है ना, राइट, इट इवनली स्प्रेड्स, राइट. ऐसा तो नहीं होता ना, जैसे कि मम्मी सब्जी बनाती है या दाल बनाती है, राइट, मम्मी अगर दाल बनाती है तो दाल में अगर नमक डालती है तो ऐसा होती है, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है कि जैसे ही दाल में डाला तो सॉल्ट वहीं पे रह जाएगा, है, ऐसा होता है क्या? कभी ट्राई किया है? ऐसा हो सकता है कि अगर दाल बनाई और ऊपर सॉल्ट डाला है, राइट, तो ऊपर से अगर लेगा तो उसको सॉल्टी लगेगा, और अगर नीचे से ले गया तो बिल्कुल सॉल्टी नहीं लगेगा, ऐसा हो सकता है क्या?
No.
Right, it is not possible. So why does that happen? Because somebody is talking in the background part. Okay, that I have muted you. All right. Right, what happens is all these particles, even in the solid, these particles, individual particles, they are constantly moving, they are vibrating, है ना, in all directions, they are constantly moving, they cannot sit idly, and their movement is very haphazard. If it goes from this, there is no fixed pattern, है ना, it goes from here to here to here, anywhere, right? That movement, that random motion of particle is called as Brownian motion. What is it called? Brownian motion. What is it called? Everyone, what is it called?
Brownian motion.
Yes, it is called Brownian. Yes, it is called as Brownian motion. So all the particles, they have this Brownian motion. Okay, right? And because of this motion, because of this continuous vibrations, the especially in the liquid and gas state, the movement of the molecules is higher. In solid it is less because they are tightly closed with each other, है ना, एक दूसरे के साथ जड़ एकदम मजबूती से पकड़े हुए हैं तो छटक नहीं पाते एक दूसरे से. लेकिन गैसेस तो बहुत जल्दी स्प्रेड होते हैं. जैसे कि अगर रूम के किसी एक कोने में अगरबत्ती जला दी किसी ने, राइट, इंसेंस स्टिक, है ना, तो उसकी स्मेल हर जगह पे आती है, right? I'm sure right now you are studying in your room. If you have a separate room and mom is cooking, then you will have that smell. क्या मजा आ रहा है, बस मस्त खाना बन रहा है ना, right? How many of you feel that?
Yes.
राइट, मम्मी ने अगर मस्त दाल तड़का बनाया, है ना, तो तुरंत उसकी स्मेल आपके तक पहुंच जाती है. आप तो घर के अंदर फर्स्ट फ्लोर पर आपकी रूम के कोने में बैठे हो कहीं पे, है ना, और किचन घर के दूसरे कोने में है, ग्राउंड फ्लोर पर है, तो ग्राउंड फ्लोर से वो ऊपर तक कैसे पहुंचा? दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द मोशन. ठीक है, वो जो रैंडम मोशन जो होती है ना, उसकी वजह से, राइट? यस,
Yes, sir.
very good.
Yes, sir.
So now this particular motion is very high in gases, little bit less in liquid, and very less in solids, right? Almost negligible in the case of solids, right? Yes, है ना, right? जैसे कि अगर
Yes, sir.
जैसे अभी गर्मी का माहौल है, बहुत गर्मी है, राइट, मम्मी ने सुबह सुबह में मस्त आपको टोस्ट बना के दिया बटर वाला, लेकिन कोई ना कोई रीजन से, क्योंकि क्लास शुरू हो रहे थे तो आप खा नहीं पाए या कुछ हुआ और बाहर ही छोड़ दिया, है ना, दोपहर तक में तो वो सड़ने लगेगा, उसमें से फाउल स्मेल आने लगती है कि नहीं, राइट? तो वो स्मेल लेने के लिए आपको नजदीक जाना पड़ता है या नहीं? फाउल स्मेल जो होती है वो ऐसे नजदीक जा करके लेना पड़ता है या पता चल जाता है कि हाँ ये
Yes.
बिगड़ गया है, राइट? सो व्हेन व्हेन दिस जबकि जब खाना बन रहा है और मम्मी अगर दाल बना रही है तो जैसे ही तड़का लगाएगा वो स्मेल ऊपर तक आ जाती है ना? तो वो डिफरेंस क्यों होता है? अगर इंसेंस स्टिक, अगरबत्ती ली, उसको जलाया नहीं तो आपको उसको पास जाकर उसको स्मेल करना पड़ेगा। मान लो कि ये है इंसेंस स्टिक, तो मुझे आई हैव टू स्मेल इट लाइक दिस, और से फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम यूजिंग दिस लिक्विड एरोसोल, है ना, ये स्प्रे है मेरा, तो मैं इसको ऐसे करके स्मेल करना पड़ेगा, या फिर अगर मैं हल्का सा स्प्रे करता हूँ तो उसकी स्मेल तुरंत आएगी, है कि नहीं, राइट? सो व्हेन
Yes.
when the particles are in gaseous state, they spread to a longer distance, they spread in a faster way, है ना, as compared to liquid, and even more as compared to solid. Okay, another activity is this one. You can try this one without stirring and with stirring, right? You can try this one. Drop of blue or red ink slowly and carefully along the sides of the first beaker and honey in the same way in the second beaker. लिक्विड में भी अगर कोई लिक्विड हल्का सा है तो वो जल्दी से स्प्रेड होगा, अगर थिक है, विस्कस, उसके लिए वर्ड क्या है? अगर थिक लिक्विड है तो विस्कस, क्या वर्ड है? विस्कस, है ना, राइट? उसकी डिटेल आप आगे पढ़ोगे साइंस में, ठीक है, राइट? Okay, then there is another copper sulfate or potassium permanganate into a glass of hot water and another containing cold water. इंक वाला ही एक्सपेरिमेंट कर लो, इंक वाला एक्सपेरिमेंट, क्योंकि ये वाला आपके पास नहीं होगा, कॉपर सल्फेट या पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट, यू वोंट हैव इट. सो व्हाट विल यू विल ऑब्जर्व दैट व्हेन इट इज हॉट द स्प्रेड इज फास्टर. Yes, when it is hot, the spread is even faster. Why is that? Because as the temperature rises, particles move faster. Yes, everyone, do you understand? So we can say that with increase in temperature, the kinetic energy of the particles also increase. Now this is something which you have done it, which you have studied in 6th and 7th standard also, है ना? 6th 7th स्टैंडर्ड में भी आपने सुना है, आपने पढ़ा है कि अगर किसी चीज का टेम्परेचर बढ़ाते हो तो उसका स्प्रेड ज्यादा होता है, राइट? यस. Then another characteristic of particles is particles of matter attract each other. They attract each other, right? Say for example, I have got, right, 4 fingers. If I keep it open, will I be able to penetrate something? Will I be able to hold something properly? ऐसे करके अगर कुछ पकड़ने का,
No.
राइट? लेकिन अगर ऐसे कर देता हूँ, चारों को जोड़ देता हूँ, तो क्या होगा? I'll be able to hold, I'll be able to stop something, है ना, right? It
Yes.
will be easier, correct? That is the activity here, but this one is the group activity. I don't know if you have a sibling or someone or at home, if you can do this with taking the necessary precautions thanks to Chinese virus, है ना? ये बहुत परेशान करके रखा है चाइनीज वायरस ने, right? So this activity you can also perform, or you can try this activity. Take an iron nail, a piece of chalk and rubber band. ये कर सकते हो. Try breaking them by hammering, cutting or stretching. कौन सा इजी होगा? सबसे इजी कौन सा हो जाएगा? चॉक, है ना. यू कैन ब्रेक इट विद जस्ट 2 fingers ऑल्सो, है ना, बहुत आसानी से तोड़ सकते हो उसको. जबकि आयरन नेल को तोड़ने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? थोड़ा मार के करना पड़ेगा, है ना. इट्स रियली डिफिकल्ट, है ना, राइट? सो
Yes.
what it shows is that particles of matter, they attract with each other, and that force of attraction, what is the word there? Force of attraction, right? Force of attraction, they have force of attraction. Or even better scientific, I'm sure you have studied this word, but even better or even scientific word is intermolecular. Intermolecular, okay, note this down. Intermolecular force of
Yes.
attraction, right? So in solids, in the solids, this intermolecular force of attraction is very high. Ooh, this is painful. Sorry. Right? In solid, I won't be able to do that. Okay. I'm sorry. Right? In solids, the intermolecular forces of attraction is very high, है ना? Because they are tightly packed. In liquids, it is comparatively less. Solid से थोड़ा कम है ना? Right? So इसीलिए अगर पानी को अगर हम किसी कंटेनर में रखेंगे तो उसका शेप ले लेगा. कोई भी लिक्विड हो, वो किसका शेप लेगा? जिस कंटेनर में रखा है. अगर पानी को मैं इसके अंदर भरता हूँ तो ये बन जाएगा इस टाइप का सिलेंडर, है ना? शेप ऐसा आ जाएगा. अगर पानी को मैं इस कप में भरता हूँ तो कप में हो जाएगा, और पानी को अगर मैं बोतल में भरूंगा तो वो बोतल का शेप हो जाएगा. राइट? दैट वी ऑलरेडी नो.
Yes.
Whereas in gases, the intermolecular force of attraction is very less. Right? तो वो एक दूसरे के साथ पकड़, उनकी बनती ही नहीं एक दूसरे के साथ, वो एक दूसरे से भागते रहते हैं. So when you put these gases into a container, they fill it up completely. Right? जैसे कि ये वाला है, अगर यही कंटेनर अगर हम यूज करते हैं फॉर एग्जांपल, तो इसके अंदर मैं सॉलिड अगर भरूंगा, राइट, तो एक दूसरे के साथ पकड़ के रहेंगे, और जब तक स्पेस है तब तक वो भरा जा सकता है. ठीक है? अगर हम उसके अंदर क्वांटिटी फिक्स करते हैं तो ये हो सकता है कि स्पेस यहाँ तक ही भरा जाए. ठीक है? छोटा सा ही. राइट? ये लिक्विड देखो, इतना भर दिया तो इतना ही है. ठीक है? लेकिन अगर इसको मैं ऐसे करता हूँ तो इसका शेप ये हो गया, ऐसे करता हूँ तो इसका शेप ये हो गया. लेकिन सॉलिड में ऐसा होना जरूरी नहीं है ना? राइट? जबकि गैस में क्या होगा, मैं जैसे ही भरूंगा, राइट, whenever I put it in, right, even if it is a small amount of gas, it will occupy all space, है ना? पूरी जगह भर लेगा वो, because the intermolecular forces of attraction in gases is so low that they occupy all the space available. एक दूसरे को जितना हो सके उतना दूर जाने की कोशिश करेंगे. Right? That is their characteristic. Okay, we will study. So in which state can we classify clay? Harshita, are you talking about the clay that is we use for play dough? Are you talking about the play dough, or you are talking are you talking about that squishy liquid kind of thing?
No, sir. Play-Doh.
Play dough is it's a solid, right? But when you apply pressure, it spreads. So there is another category that is called as semi-solid, which you will study. Newtonian. Let me write it for you. Newtonian.
Sir, Oobleck also come in this category.
What?
Oobleck.
What is that? Oobleck? I have never heard of it. What is that? What is Oobleck?
Mixture of that cornstarch and water.
Okay, so jelly type of thing. Okay, yeah. No,
Yes.
they will come under another category. Like I said, that those are Newtonian liquids, Newtonian solids that comes into the picture when you study higher standard. 11th, 12th में आएगा वो सब, right? 11th, 12th अगर
Sir,
science
what
लोगे,
about
yeah, Kashyap, yes.
sir, what about slime?
Yes, slime also falls under that category. Newtonian liquid, non-Newtonian liquid करके आता है, उन सब में जाएगा, जहाँ पे उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज चेंज होती है विथ एप्लीकेशन ऑफ प्रेशर एंड टेम्परेचर. राइट? वो थोड़ा मतलब हायर लेवल की बात है. अभी हमारे 9th स्टैंडर्ड में हम फोकस करेंगे सॉलिड, लिक्विड और गैसेस पर. ठीक है? अभी हम उसी के ऊपर फोकस करेंगे. लेकिन थैंक यू फॉर आस्किंग, एंड इफ टाइम परमिट्स, इफ सिचुएशन परमिट्स, we will conduct one experiment where you have to make the clip. I'll share the recipe with you. I'm sure you can find it out. There is lots of recipes available on YouTube and all the steps, everything. So you can try and make your own also, है ना? और अगर कोई बना करके ट्राई करता है, वीडियो शेयर करता है, then with your permission only, I'll share it with the students. है ना?
Sir, we can make slime with borax.
Yes,
Sir, we
there.
can make
Yes,
slime with
Aryan.
borax.
Yes, Aryan. There are lots of different recipes available. You can try it, right? And I would encourage you to try. करो, मजा आएगा, कुछ ना कुछ तो सीखने को मिलेगा. Yes, Siddharth, your question. No, these activities are not compulsory. Okay, you can submit it whenever you want to. This is purely about scientific aptitude. If you have it, you want to do it, you can do it. none of these students, I just told the students to do it on their own, and only 2 or 3 students have submitted, right? And as you saw it on the screen, that it was done wonderfully, right? And one of the student with whom I interacted, I highly appreciated the students effort, because it was done very meticulously, right? पूरा बहुत सही तरीके से साइंटिफिकली प्रॉपर वे में किया है. सो दैट शोज योर साइंटिफिक एक्यूमेन, राइट? साइंस सिर्फ पढ़ने से थोड़ी आता है, साइंस करने से आता है, right? Unless you do it, there is no point of studying science. So that is why I recommend, जितनी भी एक्टिविटी है, ये एक्टिविटी हो, और भी बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज है अलग अलग जो करने लायक होती है, right? So it is entirely up to you, right? What is compulsory is when I ask you to do the notes, when I ask you to take the test, that is going to be compulsory. Yeah, any more questions?